Welcome to CES 2018. My name is Craig Bremner. I'm the National Sales Manager for Massive Audio. Massive Audio has existed now for 19 years. So we've been around, we are a survivor, and we feel there's a difference between it being a manufacturer and a manufacturer. We are a manufacturer. The new series Nano Blue Marine and Nano Blue are unique, not only because we manufacture the product in our factory, but the micro topology and circuitry that we employ are state-of-the-art. All Nano Blue and Nano Blue Marine amplifiers have an OEM line converters built in. So interfacing with the factory radio is very easy. When it is connected to the Nano Blue and Nano Blue Marine, the auto turn-on circuit will engage the amplifier and it will send a 12-volt out signal on the turn-on lead to power up an additional product. all the products themselves are extremely small footprint, and with auto turn-on and auto turn-off, you would not require a turn-on lead for the amplifiers, saving you time on installation and increasing the ability for the amplifier to perform at its maximum. All the units, including the 2-channel and the 4-channel, and this unit you see in the back off is the 5-channel. The 5-channel will produce 120 watts times 4 and 600 watts on the bottom end at 2 ohm. So you have a very versatile, high-powered amplifier in an extremely small footprint.